Note: this is an educational video and not in any way causing harm or damage to your machine. In today's video, we are going to activate our Windows 11 machine. We are going to need an active internet connection as this is necessary for the activation. Next, you can either do this on a Windows 11 Pro or Home Edition. Let's begin. First, let's disable some security settings. Don't worry, we will re-enable this right after we are done. Make sure to click on Yes as you disable these settings. Next, open PowerShell on the computer by pressing the Windows key and X on the keyboard. Click on Terminal, Admin, and click on the Yes on the pop-up menu. Also, open PowerShell on the computer by pressing the Windows key and type PowerShell. Click on Run as Administrator and click on the Yes on the pop-up menu. Copy this link. If for any reason you can't follow, let me know in the comment section. Let's talk over there. Now press on 4 on the keyboard. Press 4 again on the keyboard. Allow it to do its thing. If you see green line of text, then the activation is complete. If for any reason you do not see the green line of text, let me know in the comment section. Let's re-enable the security settings we disabled at the start of the tutorial. Make sure to click on Yes on the pop-up menu screen. Remember to do this step, it is very important. Continue to update your Windows machine. We are done here. Let's check to see whether our Windows 11 machine is activated.